In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page on your Shopify store. This page is a great way to build anticipation and interest for your store before it officially launches. A well-designed coming soon page can also help capture potential customer emails, build your brand identity, and keep visitors engaged with updates. So, let's dive in and go through the steps to set this up in a few simple clicks. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find a list of different options you can choose from. Select Online Store, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to click on Preferences. This section is where you can manage some of the fundamental settings for your online store. Within the Preferences section, an essential step to creating your Coming Soon page is to enable password protection. By doing this, you essentially restrict access to your site from visitors unless they have the password. You'll find an option labeled Restrict Access to Visitors. Simply click this option to enable the password protection. Once that's activated, don't forget to hit Save to ensure your changes take effect. By enabling this setting, Shopify automatically generates the Coming Soon page for anyone who attempts to visit your site. This way, instead of finding an incomplete store, they'll be greeted with a professional-looking Coming Soon page. Now, naturally, you'll want to customize this page a bit to fit the vibe and branding of your upcoming store. For this, head over to your site editor. This area allows you to make design tweaks and tailor the Coming Soon page to look just right. To access this, go back to the view where you can navigate through the pages. Click on the name of the current page at the top and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the password page, which is another name for your Coming Soon page. Once you're in, you have the freedom to customize aspects such as text, color themes, and any specific messages or imagery that will stir excitement for your upcoming store launch. Consider adding a brief description of what's to come, or even a countdown timer if you have a specific launch date in mind. Feel free to incorporate a sign-up form to capture visitor information. This way, you can create leads even before your store goes live. And just like that, you have created and customized your Shopify Coming Soon page. By following these steps, you're all set to build anticipation and gather interest before your site officially launches. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial, and I hope you feel ready to engage your future customers effectively.